Hello friends! Her name is Adya and her name is Divya. And today we are going to be telling you guys a story. Hope you guys liked it. So, good morning friends. My name is Divya and today I'm going to be sharing with you a wonderful story. It's a short story but it's wonderful. So, let's begin with the story. So, once there was, let me tell you the title of the story first. So the title of the story is, it's about some physical challenged handicapped boys. So let's begin with the story now. So once there was a running race held among the physically challenged handicapped boys. There were totally 12 12 boys participating. And when the day came of the running race, they were on the track. Each one had an artificial leg because their legs were handicapped. So when the starter blew his whistle, everyone started running. After some time, a boy fell down on the track because his artificial leg broke on the way. So he could not stand up, he could not run again, he could not do anything at that moment. So then what happened is, all the other boys who were ahead of him saw that their friend had fallen down. So they came rushing back to him and helped him stand up. They also took him with them. So all the boys reached at a time to the end line. The finishing line. Then the judges had to declare who's the winner because all the boys at a time got to the finishing line. So after some time, the judges came into the stage and declared the winner of this running race are all the 12 boys. So all the 12 boys were so happy. So the moral of the story is, we get happiness by helping others other than winning ourselves. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Adya Divya and today I'm going to be telling you a story. So one day a guru was telling to his disciples, he was telling to them, hello my dear boys, today I'm going to be telling you guys a story. My life experience, and you have to guess, and then I'm going to be asking you a question and you have to guess the answer. The disciple said, okay Gurudev, and then the guru started telling his story. It was that one day I was walking in the jungle and then I saw a 9 or 10-year-old boy. He was walking alone. Then I thought, what is a 9 or 10-year-old boy walking alone in the forest? And then I said to myself, no, he's walking with a younger boy. He's walking with his younger brother. Then I went and then the two boys were walking unmindfully. They were not seeing what is coming to them, what is coming to them. They were not seeing what is forward, what is left. They were unmindfully. Then suddenly the elder boy fell down, the elder brother, inside a well. The well was empty. There was no water inside the well. He fell down in that well. And the guru, he was doing some of his work. Then the younger brother said to his elder brother, dear brother, don't worry, I'm going to help you. And then he was searching for some rope. Then he took the rope and then threw it at his brother. Oh dear brother, take the rope. I am going to try to pull you out. Then slowly, the brother pulled him up, the younger brother. Then after the guru was doing his work, when he turned around, he saw the younger boy was pulling the elder boy. He went to help, but then the younger boy pulled him out. He said he was surprised. He went and blessed the two boys and came. Then the guru said, now I have told you my life experience. Now I'm going to be asking you a story that I said in the beginning. He asked, so the question is, how did a young boy pull out his elder brother who was fat, who was big in age, big in height, big in everything? How did he pull him out?
The disciples started thinking, and all of their answers were wrong. And then some of them said he used a pulley or something, but then all of the answers were wrong. The Guru said, "My dear boys, all of your answers are wrong. The true answer is no one was there to tell him, 'Little boy, you cannot do this.' There was no one to tell him that you cannot do this. And he had enough encouragement in himself that he could pull out his elder brother. Moral of the story is, when you have enough encouragement in yourself, you can make miracles happen. If you have enough encouragement in yourself, you can do impossible things that others say you cannot do this." Thank you. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you.